How are you all doing? I hope you guys are having a great time with your family and friends this Christmas holiday period. So in today's video, we're going to be making a very quick and easy 3-ingredient juice recipe, okay? So here I have one whole pineapple. It's like a medium-sized pineapple. I have 2 oranges and some ginger. Okay, I won't be using all of this ginger. I think I'm just going to use a little portion of the ginger because I don't want it to be too spicy like the other juice that I made yesterday. Okay, so I've already washed the pineapple. I'm just going to cut it. I won't really bother so much about taking out these small dark portions of the pineapple because I'm going to juice it. And whenever I juice my pineapple, I find out that the juicer always takes out those parts for me, okay? I've seen some videos where people use their pineapple peels for different purposes. I've seen where people use it for syrup. I've also seen where people use it to make zobo, that's zobo drink. I've not really made so many recipes with pineapple skin, but I definitely know that you can repurpose it and use it for 1 or 2 things, okay? So yeah, you might want to give it a try. I feel like this particular juice combination is so good because it has so many health benefits. Pineapple has a lot of health benefits. It has vitamin C, which helps to support the immune system. Also aids in digestion. It contains bromelain. And orange, on the other hand, as you already know, is high in vitamin C as well, which helps to boost your immune system. It's also good for your skin and all of that. So yeah, this particular juice combination is the absolute best, okay, when it comes to the health benefits. Okay, so this is the amount of ginger that I'll be using. Alright, so I'm done prepping all the ingredients. Now it's time to get into my favorite part, which is juicing. I'll put the oranges first and some pineapple, some ginger as well. Okay guys, so I'm done juicing and this is all the juice that I got from all the ingredients. This is about 1 liter or more. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and transfer it into an airtight container. I spilled some. Just look at the color. So nice. I can't wait to taste it. So I'm going to pour the remaining into these small shot bottles because I also want something that I can just grab in the morning and just drink it. Okay, so tasting time. This is, if I say this is good, just know that it's an understatement because this is the best juice I've ever drank lately. This is really good, guys. The taste of the pineapple, the ginger. I'm so glad I didn't put so much ginger this time because Yeah, I think I just put the perfect amount of ginger. But the taste of the pineapple and the orange together, classic taste. This juice recipe, as you could see, it was very easy to make. It was very simple because I only used 3 ingredients, right? This juice is sweet, it's refreshing, it's packed with lots of vitamins and nutrients to nourish your body and also support your health and wellness journey, okay? And of course, I think you can also add this to your Christmas or New Year menu, okay? Because just look at the color, so vibrant. Okay, all right guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I think this is going to be my last official video for the year 2025. So I just wanted to use this opportunity to say thank you so much to all of you who stuck with me for 2025. Thank you for all those who watched my videos, those who commented. I just want to let you all know that I really appreciate those of you who watch my videos, comment, like, or even share my videos. Okay, this year 2025 my channel really struggled. Okay, I struggled with visibility, I struggled with engagement. The views were just all over the place. Sometimes the views look promising, other times the views look very disappointing and discouraging. But one thing I didn't do is quit. Okay, I continued posting, and I'm still posting, and I'm still trying to figure things out. Yeah, so hopefully 2026 we'll do better. Okay, our channel will grow more than it did this 2025. Okay, so from me, I would say Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. I'll see you all in 2026. Bye.